Today I'm actually putting this garden nailer and seat to work while planting in my front garden. I was planting coral bells in a stiblet, and this ended up being one of those tools that made the entire project easier from start to finish. The brand sent me this, and one thing I immediately appreciated is that I didn't have to nail directly on the ground. If you've ever gardened after rain or worked in areas where the soil's damp, you know how quickly your knees and clothes can get dirty. One of the things I love most is a dual-purpose design. When I was planting, I used it as a kneeler. Then when I wanted a quick break or needed to work at a different angle, I flipped it over and used it as a seat. That ended up saving a lot of unnecessary bending and standing throughout my project, and even moving it around the garden was easy because it's lightweight enough to pick up and reposition wherever I needed it. After spending time planting multiple flowers, I can honestly say this made the job so much more enjoyable. The foam cushion creates a really comfortable barrier between you and the ground, so it's easy to focus on planting instead of constantly shifting around trying to get comfortable and balanced. It's not featured in the video, but there's also side tool pouches, and those are handy because you can keep all your small gardening essentials within reach. If you spend time gardening, planting flowers, pulling weeds, or working close to the ground, having something that keeps your knees cleaner and provides a comfortable place to sit can make a huge difference. If you're considering something like this, I think the biggest benefits are the sturdy support and the thick cushion that keeps you off the ground. Those two features alone made planting a lot more enjoyable.